Hello friends, here Kranti Ghadge. I am going to present on most important topic of pharmacology is anthelmintic drugs. In this topic, we see the following points. Firstly is introduction. What is a RA? Rheumatic arthritis is a chronic systematic autoimmune disease that involves inflammation in the membrane laying of the joints and often affect the internal organ. Rheumatic drugs means any drugs used in the treatment of the rheumatism. Most patients exhibit a chronic fluctuating course of disease that can result in progressive joint dissection, deformity, and disability. RA affects between 1 and 2 million Americans. It occurs 3 times more often in women and peak at age 35 to 50. Next is a symptoms of RNA. First is fatigue, second weight loss, third fitness of joint, fourth joint redness, pain in the joint, swelling, joint redness. Next point is a histology and pathophysiology. Histology and pathogenesis that occurs of the RA is not fully understood but appear to the multifactorial. It is considered as the autoimmune disease in which the body loses its ability to distinguish between synovial and the foreign tissue. Synovial means a connective tissue that line the inside of the joint's capsule. Capsule means a bubble-like structure surrounding joints, elbow, hand, ankle, and shoulder. Other factors involved in RNA are follows. First one is environmental influence, such as effect of the stroma and thought to the trigger the development of the RNA. Next is genetic makers. Genetics makers mean genes. As a human leukocytes antigen DR4 SLA DR4 has been associated with triggering the inflammation process in RA. Lymphocytes means the immune systems that made in the bones marrow and found in the blood and lymph. Lymph means a water. Antigen dependent activation of T lymphocytes leads to the progression of the synovial activation of the pro-inflammatory cells from the bones marrow. Cytokine. Cytokines means a small protein used in immune system. Next is the anticirculated protein and peptides, in which conversion of the amino acid origin in a protein into the amino acid. Tumor necrosis factor TNF, IL-1, IL-6, IL-8 and growth factor progress in the inflammation process. That agent found to alert that cytogen shows promise in reducing pain and deformity. Cytogens is the cell signaling. IL means the interleukin type of cytokine आहे. 6 is the inflammation. Synovium is the landmark of the pathophysiology. Is RA. Synovium progress abnormal, growing into the joint space and into the bones, forming a punus. Punus means a extra growth of the joint that can causes pain, swelling, damage bones and cartilage and other tissues. The punus migrate to the articular cartilages and into the subquadranal bones leading. Next point is normal arthritic joints. Normal osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis means damage joint झालेले असतात ते. Next is flow chart. Genetic factor is HLA genes, HLA, DRB1, non-HLA genes, PN22. HLA genes means the human leukocytes antigen, means any group of related protein that can encoded by the major histocompatibility of the complex. Another point is the environmental factor is infection and smoking. Genes factor is undergoes failure of the self tolerant. They undergoes under the unregulated activation of the lymphocytes. They divide into 3 parts: CD4 T cell TH1, TD4 plus T cell TH17, B cell response to B self antigen. TD4 means chemical defense. TD4 plus T cell TS70 undergoes in the cytogen production using the IL-70 protein. Next one, they are undergoes the activation of the inflammation, reticulament of the macrophage and other inflammatory. They undergoes again the tissue injury, activation of the synovial cells, release the protokinase enzyme, collagen, stromatolin and estasis. Stromatolins means the metaproteins, cleavage extra cellular matrix protein. Collagen means the group of the proteolytic enzyme, depose collagen and gelatin. Ankylosis means the abnormal inability of the bones in the joints. They undergoes three different parts: restriction of the bones, cartilage, ligaments and tendons, venous formulation and fibrosis, ankylosis, abnormal immunity of the bones. Next point is joint involved in RNA. Next is the diagnosis laboratory assignment. First, rectomidate factor RF is found in 60% of the patient with RNO. However, as may 5% of the individual will have the evaluated trials of RF is initially negative. That test can be repeated in the 6 to 12 month. RF is not an accurate measure of disease progression. Next is a erythrocytic sedimentation rate ESR and reactive protein CRP are makers of the inflammation and are usually evaluated in patient with RA. Then can also help indicate the activity of disease, but they do not indicate the disease severity. Next point is anticyclic citronellate peptide antibodies CAPA is found in the most patient with RA, useful predicting Soraju disease. Providing then the next point is clinical evolution. Providing the patient as a last one joint and active synovial swelling then cannot be explained by another diagnosis. Effective RA is deficiency as a course 6 by 10 based on domains. First is joint involvement, second serology, third acute phase reactant, fourth duration of the symptoms, 5 radiographic examination. First is joint evolution in number and location of the involved joints. Second is serology. Serology example is RFACPA. Serology means antibiotic. Acute phase reactants example E CRP and ESR. Duration of the symptoms and radiographic examination can reveal the extent of the bones, corrosion and cartilage loss. In MRI can detect the proliferative venous. Next point is treatment of object. The goal in the management of the RAR to prevent or control joint damage, to prevent loss of function, to decrease pain, to maintain the patient quality of the life, to avoid or minimize adverse effect of the treatment. Drug used in RA. Drug for treatment of the arthritis. First is corticosteroid synthesis DMARS, biological DMARS. DMARDS means modifying anti-rheumatic drug. First is corticosteroid used as bridge therapy to reduce disease activity. Still slower acting DMARS take effect. Can be used as the addictive therapy for active disease that prestate deposit treatment with DMARS. Corticosteroids means any one group of the steroid hormones produced by the adrenal cortex that can affect the hydrocarbons, protein and drugs. Bridge therapy means transformation metaphor to survive figurative bridges to can another stage or health. Adaptive therapy primary treatment आहे. Next is synthesis DMARS. Then biological DMS is a TNF inhibitors. Next co-stimulating inhibitors, IL-6 inhibitor and B cell depleter. Next point is classification. This is modify anti-rheumatic drugs DMARS. First in non-biological, second biological, third NSAIDs, fourth glucosides, First is non-biological. Example: cycloserine, chloroquine, gold salt, anthrazoprin, methotrexate. Second biological, TNF antagonist. Mm, Second in IL antagonist, T cell modifying agent, B lymphocyte depleter, NSAIDs means non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs reducing inflammation and pain in the rheumatic diseases. Glucochrodides. Next in drug target, the target given the main 3 points. First is immunosuppressant means a control anti-immunomedicines. नंतर anti-IL-1 agent, glycocorticoids. First one anti-suppressant is TCD4. TCD4 means methotrexate means a chemotherapy agent, immune system suppressant cells in cancer and medical absorption. Then first CD4 is a helper T cell, gives rise to the THO give rise the activate TH14 cells. Anti-1 agent Anakir is a blocker the activity of the interleukin 1 and the administration of the subcutaneous injection. Glucocorticoids means the steroid hormones. They activated T1 cells, act as the macrophage. Macrophage means a antigen presenting cells. Activate T cells, act as the osteoclast and fibroblast. Given rise to release collagenase. Osteoclast means a multiple cells area of the bone reabsorption. Fibroblast means a biological cell synthesis, extracellular matrix and collagen stroma procedure. Collagen gives. Then macrophage release to IL-1 TNF release to the release of the another inflammation cytokines and chemogens act as a influence of the inflammation cells. Collagen and influx of inflammation cells act as a corrosion of the cartilage and bone joints damage in DMARS, their gold component and curocoins. Next point is biological therapies in RNA. Biological agents are engineered protein molecules that block pro-inflammation cytokines. These drugs may be effective when other DMARS fall in aquatic response, but they consider more expensive to use. TL1 and TNF alpha are pro-inflammation cytokines involved in the pathogenesis of RA. When secreted by the synovial macrophage, IL-1 TNF for stimulant synovial cells to proliferate and synthesis collagen therapy. Regarding cartilage, stimulating bones reabsorption, inhibiting. Next point is biological target in RNA. B cell depletion in B cell. Firstly, APA antigen presenting cells, MSC TCR using to the T cells. T cells divide into two parts, enzyme in TD20, TD8086. B cells T cell depletion in CD20 and macrophages. B cell REF and ILC is divided. Macrophages divided into 3: NEF alpha, IL-1, IL-60. NEF means tumor necrosis. IL means interleukin. Then IL-6 undergoes chondrocytes and EMMP. EMMP means a matrix megaproteinase. NEF means nuclear factor kappa. Inflammation cataset molecular target. Thank you.